If you wish to close your account on LBank, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the LBank website or app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to close. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically located in a menu or under your account name. Step 3. Find the Account Closure option. Look for an option related to account closure or deletion. This may be labeled as Close Account, Delete Account, or something similar. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Click on the Account Closure option and follow the provided instructions. You may need to confirm the decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the steps, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Ensure you check for this confirmation to verify the process. In conclusion, closing your LBank account is straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.